Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the AR15 trigger. In this case I've got a PSA EPT trigger installed here. From the factory it was around 6 pounds and some change. Before I do that, I want to talk about the modification you can make when you buy the screw that adjusts the take-up on the trigger. I don't hold with that. I think it's unsafe. I'm going to show you my reasoning. Here's the trigger at rest, standard mil-spec trigger. That's the hammer. When you pull the trigger slides down, the hammer effectively slides up, and when you reach the end of the travel, the hammer is released. When you install that screw and you adjust it, what you're really doing is adjusting the trigger until it's just barely catching on the end of the hammer. In my opinion, that's unsafe. Alright, that's my opinion. Now, if you polish the trigger, you don't have a rough pull, and you do have some motion, not very much, but it's very smooth. And it also can cut down on the trigger weight. You don't have to take the trigger apart in order to polish it. I'm going to see if I can show you how polished that is down inside there. That is the edge of the hammer. See how polished that is and how shiny? It's like a mirror in there. Now, admittedly, it was supposed to be polished when it came, but it wasn't polished like this. So, you don't have to take it apart. All you need is a rope. You hook the rope right here. You close it down. You pull up really, really hard and you pull the trigger. And you keep doing that. You can sit and watch TV. And you do that. And you keep pulling it up. And you pull the trigger. And when you're done, you get that nice polished hammer and trigger. And you get a very smooth light pull. So let's see what kind of a light pull we're getting. Let's turn on this Lyman gauge and let's do some pulls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Average that. 5 pounds. Not too shabby. There you have it, YouTube.